Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So as usual, every day I give like 2 to 5 signals every day. If you join the VIP channel, you see I give 2 to 5 high probability signals every day to help you grow your account. All right, and we are winning trades like every day. Okay, so I just gave this call. I've given 2 signals today. I've given boom 600 buy and crash 150 sell. All right, so I'm literally trading almost all the boom and crash. I think all the boom and crash assets on the reef, though I don't really like the 300 because boom crash 300 especially is really volatile. So you can see it's spiking. So I don't really do the the 300 crash 300 especially. Boom 300 is not that volatile unlike crash 300, but I don't like the 300s. Okay, so I've given this signal. You can see now we are in good profits. This was my entry. This is where I entered before the first spike happened. All right, then after that I just gave the call somewhere here. I gave the signal somewhere here because the spike happened really fast. Immediately I entered, I had 2 spikes at once, so it happened pretty fast. So that's why I gave the call somewhere around this level again. All right, so we are winning boom and crash, and I love trading in the direction of the spikes because if you're trading against the spike, it's frustrating unless you're just scalping. Let's say you take few ticks and you run out, or which is with that I love making use of the indicators. All right, to do that. All right, so yeah, we are in good profits on crash 150. All right, let me see. Though boom 600 is not looking good at all. You can see it's still going down. All right, it's still going down, but we expect the spike to happen pretty soon. We expect the spike to happen pretty soon. Yeah, so back to crash 150. Why did I give the call? Why did I give the call? I'll show you guys my reason for this call, and if you watch the video to the end, you'll be able to learn so much from this video. Now let's look at this. We move to the daily. All right, I don't know if I can delete this. All right, so this is my daily. On my daily, you can see we had 2 strong bearish candlestick. 2 strong bearish candlestick. Now, what does that mean? It means that the pressure is going down. The pressure is actually going down. We have more of sellers in the market. So now, whenever market goes down for a while, there will be a pullback to a key level. Then you look for a selling opportunity, right? So I saw the pressure, and you can see the way the previous day candlestick closed. See how the closing price, you see how it closed. This shows markets will be, we are in a strong downtrend. This was a zone, market broke below the zone and closed like this. That shows that market will just pull back and start dropping. Okay, so we've gotten that on the daily. So on the 4 hours time frame, there's so much to learn, guys. I'm working with some top traders in the country where we'll be trading currency as well and synthetics. So we are learning new stuffs and amazing stuffs that will really change the entire game, improve the game for us. Okay, so now on the 4 hours time frame, you can see we having structures, very structure here. You can see we have very structure right there. We have market was actually going up before. All right, it gave us this previous higher low, and market broke the higher low, went up and came down, broke this higher low, broke even this one, then it pulled back into this key level. This is a strong level before market gave us this last lower low. So this is a lower low here, lower high right there, and a lower low here. So markets will be doing what? Market will be pulling back to a key level to make the final drop to give us another lower low. That's why I gave the call. You can see it's spiking and spiking and spiking. So it's pretty simple. Now remember this the model I gave yesterday. If you watched the yesterday video, so make sure you go back and watch the yesterday video and today's video to really understand. Now on the test, let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Can you see we have a massive spikes there? So on the 30 minutes time frame, you see we had this uh, swing. Market gave us this swing low, but if you check up here around this level, we have this level that market went up. Market was actually going up, gave us this liquidity level, then went back and swept this level. This place was swept. All right, swept this level, swept this liquidity right there. Let me put something. So there was liquidity sweep around that level. All right, sorry, there was liquidity sweep around that level. Market gave us this strong high, protected high right there, a strong move to this level. So after that, market dropped down and cleared this transactional liquidity. There's a lot to learn, guys. There's so much to learn. Cleared this transactional liquidity, then went up to this point and gave us a structural liquidity, which is this one. After a structural liquidity, we can now tell where we have our POI. But before we have our POI, or before we choose a certain level as our POI, we're supposed to see another break of this transactional liquidity, which is this structure here that broke this and gave us the second transactional liquidity right there. After that, gave us this swing low. All right, so market has been dancing around until market goes above this structural liquidity. Here is now our POI. This is now our POI, our point of interest. This is where we'll be selling from. When market gets into this point, we just want to see the candlestick reaction inside the supply and we short it. So now market was just dancing and gave us the low. So this is a complete swing. This is a complete swing. By right, I'm supposed to target this low here, but I don't want to be greedy. All right, just want to take my profit somewhere here and I'm good. All right, so you can see market went back again after giving us this swing low, went back into our POI and gave us a reversal. I mean, selling candlesticks. All right, you can see that, and we short it. We are in good profits. We short it. We are in good profits. So if you join the academy, you learn more. There are so many things to learn. So many models, entry models. So many strategies, so many things you need to learn properly. All right, you need to learn properly and grow faster. This is very possible. You can make this. Some days I can get up to 10 setups and then I'll choose a few of them that I think are higher probability setups and take them. So what I'm trying to say here is you might do it yourself, but it might be a bit harder for you to actually know what you're doing. It will take you a while, a very long time. But if you meet someone that is into the business, it must not be me, it could be someone else. I'm not saying you should give me your money. It could be someone else that knows someone that is experienced. Okay, look for somebody that is experienced, someone you see has been doing well. Okay, I'm not talking about influencers. I'm not talking about people showing you fast cars and big houses. All right, they can rent that and just to prove to people that they are profitable. I'm talking about people that are practicing, like what I'm doing now. I'm showing you live. This is what we do. This is what we are doing. This is a signal we've taken today. 2 signals. I know this one. It has spiked already, or we are still not in profits. It's still going down. This is ugly. All right, so you look for someone that has done this before, that is genuine, that is real. It shows you, okay, we've made profits here, we didn't make profits here, these are the reasons, and learn how to trade from. Don't just go and learn from people that are showing off. It's not enough for you to, it's people that are showing off don't even have time to sit down and teach you anything. All right, so look for somebody that is experienced and learn how to do this stuff by yourself. It's not that hard. Okay, so what am I trying to say here? We have so much to learn, and if you're learning one thing, 2 things from YouTube, to bring it together and form a trading system will be a serious problem to you. Yeah, to form a trading system, it will be a serious problem to you. You might know A and you don't know B. You now jump to C. It might not be, complete, it might not be a complete system. So that's why you need to learn from someone that is really, really experienced. And when you're working with somebody that's experienced with a great community like mine, you see that it motivates you, it helps you to grow faster. It helps you to grow faster. Do you understand? You can grow better and faster. All right, because it builds your confidence. It helps you grow. So yeah, learn how to do this stuff. It's not a scam, it's not this and that, it's real. Especially as stated indices, which is deriv, is more profitable. It's very, very profitable. I'm not gonna lie. So do it yourself, guys. So you can see that as simple as that, we are making profits. So we'll be smashing our TP down here pretty soon. Now the boom 600. I don't know what is happening on boom 600, but I really hope it spikes. All right, I really hope it spikes. 30 minutes gave me a good confirmation that it will be spiking. So it's on a key level, on a strong level, which I know it will be spiking. The market has been going down for a very long time, so the pressure is still bearish. But I expect market to start spiking and give us profits. It has not gotten to our SL yet. I will share the after, like the result for you guys to actually see what happened. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Smash the like button, drop some good comments, share this video with friends. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Thank you. Check the description box to chat me up to join my free Telegram channel. I give free signals every day. All right, so check the free Telegram channel. Okay, guys, so this is a crash 150. You can see we just smashed our TP, and here on boom 600 going to our TP.